Wales is still alive, and that she's determined to have a national future. A nation, after all, has a purpose. It has a meaning, has a place in the providential order of things. A duty to live. Wales has a duty to live, to be herself, to contribute to civilization.
My experience at Westminster has proved to me conclusively that Wales just cannot get enough time in Parliament to deal with her own affairs. We need a full-time Parliament that can concentrate its energy on solving our problems. Indeed, the great advantage being a member for Plaid Cymru is the fact that we can put our constituency and Wales first and always be free to work on that priority.
For 100 years, Plaid Cymru has been at the heart of Wales's story, standing up for our communities and demanding better for our nation. But as we mark this milestone, we're not just looking back, we're looking forward. Ahead of the 2026 Senedd election, Plaid Cymru has a clear vision for building a fairer, more ambitious nation where decisions are made in Wales for Wales. Now is the time for new leadership for our country, and with a Plaid Cymru government, we can build a future where the interests of the people of Wales are at the heart of everything we do. So join us and help write the next chapter in Wales's story.
There is life here. There's new life here. There's a new generation rising in loyalty to their land. And the light we see today is not the light of a setting sun, but the light of a new dawn. And together, in the next few years, it's possible for us to restore our national freedom and to set Wales once again where she should be, a free nation and a responsible member of the great community of nations in the world.